Yeah, here you go.
No. Oh,
It's real,
it's
man.
you have to pull it because I think it's a wig, so you have to pull it.
It's real.
Like pull the hair. Look at this. I'm pulling them.
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
Okay, it's okay.
yeah, bro.
Dude, I'm so fucking sleepy.
Q.
Cause it's night. It's night time, and then people are sleepy at night. I'm feeling hungry though. For all of a sudden, I just feel okay hungry.
Yeah. Oh, I'm like getting slaved.
What?
I'm getting slaved.
You're getting slaved?
Yeah, by the education system.
Nah, nah.
No, no, they said to me, "Hey, bro, you have to come at tuition at 11 a.m. and go back to home at 9 p.m."
Yeah, that's not slavery. That's boards.
That's slavery, bro.
No, that's boards. That's pretty normal. I mean, I would study as like my ass off it to boards, and I'd do it. I have no issue with it.
ब्रो आपके नंबर आए यस
Yeah,
आपके पास पैसे आए नहीं and I don't know
I
why
do
मैं
it.
हैकर लेके घूम रहा हूँ
Why is there? Why? I do have money. Who said I don't have money?
after doing the boards did you got some how much the ROI was
Of what?
of doing boards like return on investment you got so many investment
It doesn't matter. I don't care. I did it because I liked my subjects.
yeah
And if you don't like your subjects, that's your fault because you got the option to choose your subjects.
I
So
didn't
don't
got
fuck with me. Don't fuck with me by telling me कि मेरे boards हैं and I can't do it because I hate my subjects. That's your fault. You are accountable for it.
bro मैं
It's
ध्यान में
not.
मेरा
What was the ROI? The ROI was the knowledge I got, and I'm happy with the knowledge I got.
what are the subjects you chose
The principle, the principles I learned in my subjects are the ones I use in marketing.
what are
Sociology,
what are your
sociology,
yeah
sociology, psychology, both are used in marketing. In fact, they're very important for marketing.
what were the your all subjects
Sociology, psychology, economics, English, political science.
I in my city we don't have sociology, so psychology
Dude, it
specific.
can't be that in your city you don't have psychology. You literally live right next to me, you bitch fuck. It's not possible. Okay, it's about the school you're in, and you could have changed your school if you scored well in class 10. So, why should you score well in class 10? Because you want the subjects of your own choice, and so you can switch school, right? So, you are a bitch fuck. It's your fault at the end of the day. It's not the education system's fault. Stop blaming it.
Welcome to another episode of Kinchai Bobby, and we are here to talk about school and boards.
I just think boards are not a problem. It's people who don't study. You basically have to study two subjects in boards. Only two subjects. English ho jata hai. There is obviously one subject you're good at, right? So there are only two you need to study. Right?
It's
What subjects do you have? What
see
subjects do you have?
accounts, business, economics, computer, English.
Okay, you're good at computer.
Yeah,
You're good at English already. I mean, English. No one studies English. No one studies English.
yeah.
So let's just keep it out. Now you need to study two more subjects. Why? Because you have to be scored on best of four, right? So you're going to study accounts and BST or economics or BST, and you put it in a best of four, and done. See, you only have to study two subjects. I don't know why people make such a big deal, and you have 12 months to do it. That's the best part. You have 6 months to study a fucking subject. How hard could it be?
Would
It's
you
not hard at all.
tell me? Would you rather study or work with 10 clients at this stage, and not at board at this stage?
Rather study or work with tech clients.
10 clients, 10 tech clients.
10 clients. I'd work with 10 clients
Why would you do that?
because it earns me money. And I'm at a stage of my life where I prefer earning money. No, no. Listen, because I'm done with school. I'm done with school. That's why. That's the point. I'm done with school. You're not. Right?
Yeah,
I'm not. I'm not at a stage in my life where I have to give a major exam, right? Which basically figures gives me a pathway to go into a prestigious college, build friends and a good network there, or go into a shitty college, right? Which I won't go to, and rather do it open, right? So I scored good. There's nothing to do. I can't do. Why won't I do anything? Is because I don't have time for anything. Right. The reason I didn't work in 12th was because I scored bad in 11th. Right. And that's why I left everything in 12th because I was like, fuck it. I want to work. I want to study my ass off because I want to score good marks because I have potential and I'm just wasting my potential. Second of all, let's say I'm working. Let's say I'm working. My parents know about it. Let's say my parents know about it. I'm in 12th. I'm working. And the point is, Indian households, they won't let you work or do work instead of studying. It's just there. It's a mentality, right? So no matter how much I'm working, there is always going to be this thing that you are working and you're not studying, right? And if I clear my school, they're like, do whatever the fuck you want to after school, right? So why shouldn't I pursue what I already love with a free and open mind that no one's going to tell me anything, right? Or say me anything uh, about working, right? Or say anything to me, and I can work freely, rather than working, listening from parents, not studying, scoring bad, listening on both sides because of scoring bad. Why should I even do that? Let's keep an easy way out, right? What's the rush to make money? It's the question. Like, why does everyone wants to make money so fast? What's the rush? That's just my point. Like, my point of view. What's the rush? The point is you're anyways going to make money. You're anyways going to get a job. Everyone will land up somewhere. The point is you will anyways make money. What's the rush of doing it right now?
because I
If
want
you're a
to
student,
get
like
retired at 21.
that's just my perspective for teenagers. Like, what's the rush for you to get money?
Because I am just like making money.
Yeah, okay, cool, you do. But if you have a major exam and you know working could affect your studying, and it's a major exam, it's not like something that's not major. It is a major exam. You're finishing high school, dude. It's a major exam. It's considered a major exam all over the world. So just fucking do it. Nothing matter. You have to literally study for 2 months out of 12 months of school. Just 2 months of studying hard and scoring good marks will not hurt. It's my point. Like, it won't hurt anyone.
Sexy, bro.
What's sexy?
Two words.
Like, my point is simple, dude. My point is so simple that let's say there are 12 months. You only need to study 2 months for boards because you only want to study. You could only have to study two subjects.
Seriously,
Right.
like it's
So
12
why can't
months.
you just study? I'm not telling you to study 12 months
Mm.
for your board. I'm just telling you to study 2 months and score decent marks, which anyone can. I know people who scored 2 months and scored amazing.
So basically, like as we have 12 months, I've got 14 months because we got passed to May. So we have 14 months to do this. 6 months was literally empty because I had nothing ready. I was just working every day on my computer maintenance and all. After 6 months, there was like mid sem. I failed in that. My school said to my parents that so
What?
they said yes.
Okay.
And my parents got scared. They got to a tuition. So tuition is now like then after 6 months I got the tuition. So like
Yeah, I mean, dude, makes sense, right? Like, you still have to pass in every exam. You can't fucking fail.
yeah. So
Like,
basically last 2 months is like I could have studied after we got passed in May. And then
don't
I
work for 2 months. Believe me, don't work for 2 months. See, that's what I always say.
yeah
What's the rush?
I
There is no
understand
rush.
this
There is no rush
I
to
got my
becoming successful.
I got to my like I said, hey bro, I will not be working after. So I just said, hey bro, I will not be working. We are
Dude,
just chilling at.
to be honest, when I had like exams, I I used to study like six. Like I used to start in the morning, stop in the evening, like non-stop. That's how much I used to study. I didn't give a fuck about working.
Now we are
I mean, the point
yeah.
is, see, dude, the point is simple, right? You are a student, okay? What matters is having financial knowledge, okay? Listen to me. People confuse it. People confuse financial knowledge with working early. Now, I'm not saying it's wrong to work early. I'm just saying that if it's affecting things, right, then maybe it's wrong. If it's affecting your studies in a bad way, if you're failing, then it's maybe like, ki, okay, but this part of life is also required. Like being a student is kind of also necessary because let's say you need to just clear a basic level of education, right? Um, my point is simple ki financial knowledge is necessary. You're gonna make money someday anyways, right? You might make it before finishing high school, after finishing your post graduation too, or after finishing your PhD too, right? Matters is what you do with that money, right? Important is having financial knowledge, but let's just not confuse it with starting working early and making a ton of money. Like that's the rush people are into. They're confusing knowledge with uh, just stacking money early, which is not a problem. I'm not saying it's a problem. I'm saying ki just make sure it's not affecting your life in a bad way, or like you said, you are not failing in school because of it. That's all, dude. That's just my point of view.
Okay, let's end the topic.